Hey guys, in this video, I will show you how to change your email in eFootball. All right, let's begin. First, open any browser on your mobile device and search for Konami. From the search results, scroll down and access the My Konami website. Once inside, tap on the Login button and sign into your account using your current credentials. After signing in, tap on the menu icon at the top and select Personal Information from the drop-down menu. Scroll down until you find the email address option and tap on it. Next, tap Submit, and you will receive a verification code in your current email inbox. Enter the code and tap Next to proceed. Now, type in the new email address you want to use, confirm the changes, and save them. Once done, your email will be successfully updated, and you can now use the new email for your eFootball account. So that's basically how you can change your email in eFootball. And that's it for this video. If you find this helpful, consider subscribing and giving this a big thumbs up. Thanks.